Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can add more parties to your transaction through LoneWolf Transact. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com. If you have not already connected your LoneWolf Transact to command, you will want to go ahead and do that beforehand. We have a tip video on our YouTube channel that walks you through how to do that. If you are not sure if it's connected, you can just click your name in the top right corner, go down and click Settings. And then you'll see LoneWolf Transact is connected right here. If not, you would just scroll down to your digital signature and transaction section and you would find LoneWolf in there. All right, so we're going to go back out to our command home and we're going to go ahead and navigate to our opportunities applet. It's these two hands shaking on the left-hand side. I'm going to switch over to the all opportunities tab just because that's easier for me to view. However, go with whatever is easier for you. If you prefer to go through the sales pipelines individually, absolutely you can do that. I'm just going to go ahead and pull up the opportunity that we want to look at. So in our opportunity, we are going to go ahead and sync this with our LoneWolf. We do already have a tip video on that as well if you want to check out how to sync those. Give it a second to load here. It may make us log into LoneWolf again. Perfect. So since we are already signed in, it just went ahead and created this. Now you're going to notice over on the left-hand side, you'll see this section that has parties under the details tab, and you will see the buyer's agent, the buyer, and the other buyer, since we have two buyers on this opportunity in the contacts section. So if we go over here to this parties tab, we can just click add party. And then we can search for a contact. So we can say, start searching. And if we have this person in our contacts in LoneWolf, it will start to populate by their name. But if we do not have them in here, we can go ahead and just click create new, add a role, admin, appraisal company, buyer, buyer's agent, broker, lawyer, lending company, anything like that. There are a lot of options in here, so you can add that. So say, for example, we want to add our admin. We can just click admin, add their first name, add their last name, brokerage name, any of these fields that you want to fill out, email address, and then we would just click, oh, we do have to fill that out. So we'll go ahead and say, put that in properly. We may have, let's go back and let's go with buyer. There we go. So we'll go in, you can add their preferred signature, email address, we'll go, and their cell phone number. We can just go fill this out and then we can go ahead and save it here. And then you'll see that it has added that contact. So now we have another party on this transaction and we can keep doing this until we have all of the parties on our transaction that we need. And then we can go back out here. And then when we go to send them out for signature, we'll be able to add those parties. So if we go to send out, we'll just go through here, send this out for signature, we can click that, and then we can, when we create it, we'll be able to choose the parties, and it will let us choose from all of the parties in this transact. So on the left-hand side, we have our signers, we can add participants, and we can add from the transaction, and then we can add in each of those parties that we need to add in. So that is how you are going to add parties to a LoneWolf transaction if they are not automatically added from your opportunity, or if you need more than what you have already added from your opportunity. So if you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.